Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Twilio integration with Keap for Outreach step by step clearly. To download Twilio integration with Keap for Outreach, begin by visiting the Twilio website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Twilio account. Navigate to the programmable SMS section on the dashboard. Here, you can purchase a phone number for your outreach. Select a number that suits your needs. Make note of your account's ID and auth token, as you will need these for the integration. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Visit the Keap website. Log in to your Keap account. Once logged in, go to the Marketplace section. Search for the Twilio integration within the Marketplace. Select the Twilio integration from the search results. Click on the Get It Now button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. Authorize the integration by entering your Twilio account's ID and auth token. Make sure to configure the settings as needed for your outreach. Once the setup is complete, return to your Keap dashboard. You should now see the Twilio integration listed among your applications. Now, you can start using Twilio for your outreach efforts within Keap. Test the integration by sending a sample message. Check both Twilio and Keap to ensure the message was sent successfully. Adjust any settings if necessary based on your testing. Your Twilio integration with Keap is now set up and ready for outreach activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.